Thank you for your interest in living cosmologies. My research is done through song, painting, through theory, writing, poetry, and video. My patrons will also get how-tos on creating a sustainable habitat for themselves with things like compost, greywater systems, as well as how to vision a paradigm in which human beings can interact, support, and sustain their ecosystems. That's a perspective from most First Nations people. Here we're on Tonga land, and I'm working this fall by the LA River. But thinking about living systems that have been created before us that we need to relearn in order to take care of this amazing earth that's our mother. So I hope you enjoy. I would really love your feedback. I hope you can participate in some of the exercises and share them. Thank you.